In today's video, we're going to show you step by step how to switch your Instagram account from public to private. Whether you're concerned about your privacy, want to control who can follow you, or simply want to keep your content more private, making your Instagram account private is a quick and simple process. This method is the same on both iOS and Android devices, so if you are on Android, just follow my steps. The first thing that you want to do is to simply open the Instagram app on your phone and then go over to your profile by clicking on your profile picture in the bottom right corner of the screen. Once you're on your profile, you want to tap on the three horizontal lines at the top right and this menu will pop up. We'll go over to the settings and privacy, or if you have an older version of the app you're gonna see the settings, so just tap on it. When we open the Instagram settings, the next step is to scroll a little bit down until you can see a section called Who Can See Your Content. And we want to tap on the Account Privacy option. When we open the Account Privacy, you will see one single option called Private Account. So if your account is set to a public account, then this option will be disabled, like it is for me. So if you want to switch to a private account, just enable the option. When you switch to a private Instagram account, then only the people who follow you will be able to see the photos and videos that you post on your Instagram account, as well as the Reels. Other people that want to follow you will have to send you a follow request which you can accept or deny. When you enable this option and switch to a private Instagram account, you may want to go back to your profile and review your followers list. Nothing will change in here once you set your account to a private one, but if you see an account that you don't want to see your content that you post, or if you don't want them to see who you're following, you can easily remove that person or profile from your followers. They won't be notified that you've removed them from your followers and they won't be able to see your content anymore. If this video helped you out and you were able to switch your account without a problem, make sure to leave a comment down below and I'll see you in the next video.